Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to make a mango sorbet. We will start off with cutting the mangoes, cubing them and freezing them in the freezer overnight. Just gonna try to cut them like this and the other side, and do the same for the 6 mangoes that I am using. And then we're going to go ahead and score them crisscross to make it like this, and then we will dish it out with a spoon. And just like that, I'm gonna go ahead, use the spoon and just scoop it all out. All of our 6 mangoes. You can put it in a glass container to be able to freeze it in the fridge overnight. And just making them into cubes is easier when we go ahead and put it in our food processor. And I'm going to do this to all 6 mangoes. And this is the last one. Now we're going to go ahead and freeze this overnight for 24 hours. Here we go everyone, it's been 24 hours. Now I'm gonna take my mangoes and just put it in the food processor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pulse them until I get a really nice consistency. Make sure that you break them into smaller chunks if they are frozen, because they were in the freezer for 24 hours. That I have the lid on, I'm gonna go ahead and just pulse it. Keep pulsing it until it is smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and add half or 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to help this become a little more liquid, and to also add a little bit of that zesty sourness to the mango. And then once we add this, we're going to go ahead and pulse it again. And now I'm going to go ahead and pop the top off and show you the beautiful consistency. This is the consistency. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a container and put it in the freezer again for another hour to 2 hours, and then it's ready to be served, or you can just have it soft served like this right now. I'm going to go ahead and pour this mixture out, and like I said, you could soft serve it right now, or you can leave it in the fridge for another hour to 2 hours to let it harden up a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and just smooth the top into a nice even layer, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer. Look at that beautiful color. That it's been in the freezer for 2 hours. We're going to go ahead, serve them. You can use any kind of dish that you like. And here I have for my toppings blueberries and some cilantro. Go ahead and just scoop it up. Just one more big scoop, and we're gonna go ahead now use the toppings. And here we're gonna go ahead and put our toppings, and ta-da! Beautiful, delicious mango sorbet. This is so delicious, creamy, with the right amount of zestiness from the lemon. And you get a burst of sweet sourness from the blueberry, which just brings all the flavors together so nicely. So try this. Let me know how you like this easy, delicious recipe of mango sorbet.